should celebrate.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. If you are new here, hello, my name is Brooke. Today I am going to be doing the boat tour video that I had promised you before, but our boat is in storage, so I was not able to do it, but I am here at the storage facility and I am ready to give you the tour. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And if you're feeling my channel, click the notification bell, you'll never miss a video. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so here is the boat. It is on a trailer right now. It is a Mastercraft X46. So it is white with the silver flake. You can tell how it's like all glitter here. And it's on a Mastercraft trailer. It says it over there. So we walk to the back. Oh, that's where it says it. There we go. So we have this like step or platform, and under here these fins come out, help make the wake. We have underwater lights. They glow purple. And then here I'm just gonna kick off my shoes and head up. Okay, so I am standing on the step, and right here is one of the areas you can connect like a tube, put the rope around it. Right here's where the pylon goes, so it like sticks up, a little mini pole that you can wrap a rope around to tube as well. Back here we have two seats that fold up. So here's what it looks like down. Folded it up. So you just sit here, and that's kind of for like your lumbar back. So when you sit here, another person can be right there. We've each got a cup holder, and we can watch the person tubing, wake surfing, wakeboarding, whatever. Right here is kind of where you walk up. I'm just gonna fold these down. Is kind of where you walk up. We do have a mat that matches these, and it goes right here and snaps in. And there are two snaps over there to make this all even. Okay, I'm gonna fold this down. So then we're walking onto the boat. All right. So facing our driver's seat, we have two reclined seats right here, and they've each got a cup holder, and then they each have three cup holders here, and this is a heat vent. So kind of like a car, a heat vent right there. Under here, these are like fat sacks, sorry. And so they fill up with water. You don't have to attach a tube or anything. They're like holes down there. Anyway, or actually, I'm sorry, the holes are under the boat. Suck up the water, fill these up, and it weighs down the back of the boat to create the wake, so you can wakeboard or wake surf. When they are full, water will start spewing out of these holes here, and that's how you know they're full. And so we have those on each side. Also about the fat sacks, we do have over here, this is how you fill them up. These are the fat sacks ones. So we have like the port side, fill, empty, middle, fill, empty, the right side, fill, empty. So that's how you like turn them on and off. And then we've got our key, but the boat is push to start. We do have the ability to make presets. So if you have people that, this screen here, you can do presets. So if you have someone that's always on the boat that wakeboards or wake surfs, you can make them like preset 1, preset 2, preset 3. So me and Darren each have our own preset, and you can preset other people's as well. But we'll get to the rest of that in a minute. Under here, we have our life jackets. Under here are only mine and Darren's. Under here, we have like all of our ropes. So we have like our tubing rope, wake surf rope, wakeboard rope, and a few backups. Under here, this is the upgraded speaker that we have. So this is creating all the sound for us. And then this is our big old tube. And under here, that is the cushion that snaps in right here. So we just keep it there. Under here, we're keeping our wake surf boards. I already showed you guys in one of my previous videos. Here's Darren's. His is just wood and white. I know I had only showed you mine. And then we have one battery under here. Oh, I'm sorry, we have two batteries under here, and we have one battery under that seat. So that's kind of how we power the boat. Right here is our stereo, and it is Bluetooth. And then we do have the ability to control the stereo by the driver's side as well. This folds up and down. So, hi. So this is obviously so when you're driving, it's not flapping everywhere. This is our glove compartment. So under here I have like my boat hat I had showed you guys in a previous video, my boat bag where I kind of have like deodorant, Tylenol, hair ties, chapstick, our boat licenses, everything like that. This, I organize it every time we go out, but once we're out and about, everything is shaken up. But we have different types of tanning oil, tons of sunscreen. This is a water lotion or wet lotion. Tons of different types of sunscreen. It's ridiculous. These are sunglasses. My sunglasses got thrown overboard last time we went out, so I got two this time. They're just cheap Amazon ones. Oh, allergy medicine, maybe in here. These are wet wipes in case we are like eating on the boat or we just need to wipe our hands. In here, this is the clamp that attaches to either here, or you can attach it to the tower, and it holds up that big orange flag that I had showed you guys before. And all of our backup flags are down there with the ropes also. But that's for like when people are gonna be in the water for a long period of time, like swimming or something. Okay, that's that. Sorry, I'm so out of breath. I don't know why I'm so out of breath. Cool things about this seat right here next to the driver is heated. The driver's seat is also heated. This comes out, it always kind of sticks a bit. No, I feel like there's a way to get this out and I never do it right. But this comes out as like a big old hose. So like you can put it under your towel or something to help warm you up. And then of course there were those heating vents on each side. Now, cool thing about this seat. Okay. Let me see if I can set you up. Okay, so here we are facing the driver. This seat comes up and it folds back. Put your feet, whoops, awful angle. So it folds back to put your feet there and you face the rider. And then you can also lay it all the way flat, and we have a cushion that goes right there to just make like the entire back seat a big old sunbed. So for the driver's seat, this portion folds down or it folds up, which I find more helpful because when the boat drives, it kind of goes at an incline. It's kind of hard to see over the windshield. We've got the key, all of that stuff. This is the horn, a whole bunch of settings on here. Push to start. This is like a car charger. And then obviously we've got the wheel. stereo, so we can control it here or there, and you can control every single speaker in this boat separately. And so if you wanted just sound to go on the tower out to the rider, you can, or you can keep all the sound in here. But sometimes when you want to project it louder there, but you're not trying to like blow out everyone's eardrums, that's super helpful. Here we have the heater, so to turn on the vents and like the hose heater. And then we have our navigational lights, our regular lights, obviously. We have like our odometers, and then we've got these other settings, which I'm actually not entirely sure what that is. Driver has a cup holder. We've got a little, what is this? Daily treat. Oh, chapstick sunscreen. Okay, that's not mine. I think maybe Darren's dad left that here. So it's kind of like a little, you know, side thing like you have in a car. And then up here, so this closes and locks into place, and this also closes. So you keep those closed and this down when you're driving, because otherwise your cushions can like fly up. And the tower also collapses, which I will show you guys at the end. I probably won't show you me collapsing it because I don't really know where I put the camera, but maybe I can show you. But okay, so we've opened, oh, and if you didn't know how these lock, there's like a little, oh, actually it goes this way. But yeah, that's how that locks. And then up here, we've got the seats facing the front of the boat. Under here, we've got a ladder that comes out so people can get on the boat from the water. And then these seats both have armrests. And then they've got 2 cup holders and 2 cup holders, of course, more speakers. Under here, this compartment connects to where our surfboards were on the other side, and then we have a bunch of life jackets. Under these are just more life jackets and buoys. You can kind of see some buoys over there, more life jackets. And then we have some tools in there as well. And same thing with that side. Under here, we have more life jackets. We've got that first aid kit right there. These cabana towels are for people. These like microfiber ones are for drying the outside of the boat to prevent water spots and keeps the paint job nice. Down there, those are some more like tools like scuba gear and stuff in case the prop, something happens to it and we need to do some work. Under here, we've got a trash can, we've got some cups, trash bags, paper towels, and then some more tools and stuff. And then under this one, it's not here right now, it came with a Mastercraft ice chest. We keep it in our garage so we can fill it up at home and then just bring it, you know? So we don't keep that in the boat. Here we have these things. You just, whoops, pull down and they swing out. Oops. Ow. And that's the position they're in. These are to hold your wake surfboards and your wakeboards. So they are on both sides and they all just pull and flip out. Oh, okay, someone's coming, so I'm gonna pause this. Okay, he's still here, but I'm just gonna start anyway. So this was one of the speakers, I believe it was these two, that got replaced, like the base that comes out of it. So I believe it's gonna be these ones that are gonna be banging. Oh my God, sorry, they're moving another boat. Our floor looks almost like top ramen, if you ask me. But it's like spongy, and then it does come up so you can wash it and such. But it really helps absorb it so that it doesn't become slick. And then if you carpet, sometimes it can become smelly with the, like if you spill something, things like that, or sticky. And so with this, we don't have that problem. And if we do spill something sticky, we can just take it off and hose it off. So that's really nice. So now the tower. So I just showed you how those fold out, and then we kind of changed topic because that guy was coming to pick up one of the boats, and it was just a little awkward filming in front of someone. So here's our tower. The tower folds down, so you pull these in and pull them out, and that unlocks it, and you can fold it down, which I'm gonna be doing in a bit. Right here in this case is the Benini, so that's it, like comes out both directions, and it's like a big old umbrella to shade everyone. These are the speakers that, ooh. These are the speakers that came with the boat, and these are wet sound speakers. Really nice and great sound, great projection. Whoops, great sound, great projection. So these are apparently really gonna take sound to the next level. So I mean, you only wanna go so loud, but it's also really gonna help with like clarity and quality of the music. And we have these 3 lights. We got our light up here, obviously. And this is also like where you put the rope to like wakeboard or wake surf. You put it around this guy right here. So that's really nice also. Other than that, I believe that wraps up our boat tour. So let me just give you guys a couple more angles here. So we have the platform, flake, our fold up, fold down seats, the seat right here that folds to sit the other way, tower, our front seats up there. So this is our boat. Sorry the ankle's crap, but it's really hard to find somewhere to put a camera when you're trying to record in a boat. Okay, now I'm gonna close up the wind stuff. All right, so I already folded this down, so this is ready to go. Let me try to find somewhere, or I guess I don't need to find somewhere to set you up. So this thing just slides, and then you pull it out. The goal is to get it in that little lip right there. Straighten it, close the lip, voila. As part of the windshield, fold over, put the large part across, and voila. All right, gate closed, window closed, mirror down, glove closed, radio covered. Is it on all the way? Yeah, radio covered. All the batteries are off. This is folded down, and I have locked it back into place. These have been locked, and we are ready to go. Also inside the boat and under the boat right there, there are underwater lights right there, but there are also lights under the boat and inside the boat, and they glow purple. I have no idea why. I also have no idea how to turn them on. Darren's done it a few times, but I haven't really asked him. Maybe that's what some of those unknown buttons are by the driver's side. And then this is what it looks like here. Here was the thing that opened up to allow the ladder to come down. This is our boat. All right, guys, that's all I'm gonna do for a boat tour for now. I'm getting a little sweaty. It's really hot in here. It's like 100 degrees today, and I'm in a big old warehouse, so it's very hot, very sweaty. But I pretty much showed you everything there is to see about our boat. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.